Mike Cullen here, Centranz's shop supervisor. I am here today to talk about our rebuild program on Volvo PT series transmissions that go into the Volvo articulated truck line. Here at Centranz, we use OEM Volvo parts and the highest quality replacement parts, many of which we manufacture right here at Centranz. Not only do we stand behind our parts, but we believe in them so much that we offer a 2-year unlimited hour warranty. This warranty is second to none, and to the best of my knowledge, no other company, with the exception of Volvo, has a better warranty than us. We disassemble our transmissions 100% of the way to make sure that we thoroughly inspect and check every single piece so we can stand behind our 2-year warranty. Now let's take a look at all the pieces that we install into every rebuild transmission. Every transmission rebuild gets a seal and gasket kit, all new bushings, all thrust washers throughout the range section, an oil strainer, bearings, new filters, spring kit inside the valve body, new inductive transmitters, temperature sensor, pressure monitor, oil level and temperature sensor, external wire harness, and new PWM solenoids inside the valve body. A rebuilt torque converter. Centranz is the only company in the United States, with the exception of Volvo, that remanufactures the torque converters in-house. As you can see, it's a welded unit, so you cannot buy the pieces inside the converters. Spring pins throughout the planetaries, new thrust washers in the planetaries, and new bearings in the planetaries. A new charging pump remanufactured here at Centranz. All clutches. Centranz has been rebuilding these transmissions longer than any other company in the United States, with the exception of Volvo. Thank you for giving Centranz the opportunity to provide you a very good product. Have a good day. Bye.